Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see what's the energy. Energy update, July 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or sa comment section. Okay, let's see Virgo. What's the energy? July 16 to 31. Awareness. I think mas magiging yung mapagmasid. Ayan. Well, actually, mga Virgo, ganun naman na talaga. Yung parang ini-scan nyo yung buong paligid nyo. You pay attention to details. Ayan. You also have progress. So, merong pag-unlad, pag-angat, may improvement. I think mas nagiging aware ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mo ayusin sa sarili mo. Like, i-improve sa sarili mo in any way, shape, or form. And because of that, you will be taking action para makita mo kung ano yung improvement or progress niyan. For example, aware ka na meron kang kailangang i-improve sa iyong communication skills or sa skill set mo para maabot mo yung goal mo na ma-promote sa trabaho. So, pwedeng mag-a-attend ka ng trainings or meron kang i-research, merong self-study, ganyan. So, the more aware you are, the more knowledgeable ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin, i-improve sa sarili mo. Now, your overall energy is the Ace of Wands. This is new experience. Some of you very excited, no, for a new beginning. You have an egg. Yung egg kasi it symbolizes simula. Pagsisimula. And the Ace of Wands is of course new beginning. This is exciting. This can be a new job, new career, new business, or new experience for you. Now, your challenge is the Five of Wands. Okay. As a challenge, I think, yung iba sa inyo, you are becoming more competitive. Kumbaga, let's face it, meron talagang mga pagkakataon na tayo ay kinukumpara natin ang sarili natin sa iba. Kasi kung wala namang point of comparison, hindi rin natin i-improve yung sarili natin eh. Kasi wala tayong point of comparison. So I think the challenge sa'yo is to see kung ano yung mga bagay mo kailangang ayusin sa sarili mo or improve sa sarili mo base sa nakikita mo sa paligid mo. But it doesn't mean na kinukumpara mo na ng sarili mo. Kumbaga, you are getting that idea na you need to work on this asset na meron ka para hindi ka mapag-iwanan kasi pwedeng maraming competition sa paligid mo, 'di ba? Let's see your opportunity. You have the Lovers. Oh, may opportunity for romantic connection, new relationship, pwede rin tong bagong contract, bagong responsibility for some of you. Okay? Para this can be a new connection eh. Pwedeng isa to sa exciting new beginnings for you. Like, getting into a new commitment. May parang papasok ka sa isang commitment. Pwedeng trabaho. May kontrata eh. Trabaho or getting into a relationship, new connection, friendship. Now, your blessing is the Sun. Oh, yan, ganda. As a blessing, this is about clarity, happiness, joy. The Sun is the center of the solar system. So, maaring ang isa sa blessing sa inyo is mas mabibigyan ka ng attention or nasa iyo yung spotlight. Pwede rin ikaw ay marirecognize. You will be recognized sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Whatever that is, no? Dahil na rin sa iyong galing, talento, kakayanan. So that's part of the recognition. You are going to shine brighter. Okay, let's see what else, Virgo. Wow, uy! Biglang kinalabutan naman ako doon. A new start is coming. Ayan. Kinilabutan. Okay. Yeah, kasi ito nga yung Ace of Wands. New Moon. Ano ba? Hindi ko na sure kung ano yung, kung kailan nyo ito mapapanood. But, pwedeng anytime around New Moon, may good news. Yeah, kasi the sun is also about good news. Some of you, this can be a baby coming in. That's a blessing, di ba? Or a new chapter ng life mo ay nagbubukas. You are good enough. Wow. Sometimes, di ba, gusto natin improve yung sarili natin for personal development or for personal, sabihin ko sana consumption. For personal, yung tawag dyan, yung satisfaction, ganun. But you know what? You are good enough. Of course, nasa sa'yo na yun kung gusto mo i-improve pa yung sarili mo. But, ang importante is whatever you have right now is enough for you to grow, is enough for you to expand and explore and make things happen para sa mga pangarap mo. You have the second house, you have Mercury in Gemini. Yung ba sa inyo, Virgo, ang inyong source of income can be related sa communication, related sa thoughts, related sa voice ninyo, like speaking voice. You may be connecting, talking to a lot of people, and that is going to bring in money sa buhay nyo. Okay? Kailangan nyo lang ditong i-overcome yung inyong confidence. Oo, with Isa here, may mga times na parang feeling mo na may mental block ka. And I think that is part of the awareness na meron ka ngayon. It's part of the things that you will have to improve on. You also have Berkanu. This is about new beginnings, being fertile as well. So may fertility dito. So if you are not yet ready for a baby, you have to be careful. Pero kung ready ka na for a baby kasi meron new commitment, new obligation dito sa inyo. So, congratulations. Go for it. Diba? You also have Raidu. Raidu is about journey, self-discovery. I think you will be traveling more or you will travel through your imagination, like watching movies, watching documentaries na makakatulong to improve yourself and your awareness and your knowledge. Diba? Also discovering more about yourself through learning and being more aware kung ano yung needs mo pa at mga bagay na kailangan mong i-improve sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.